Zucchini plays a big role in Greek summer cuisine. Zucchini fritters, or in Greek, Kolokithokeftedes, are one of the wonderful delicacies of summer. Easy, healthy, and so tasty. I only have 2 zucchinis here because these are size XL. Grate the zucchini. Add salt and leave to stand for half an hour. The salt absorbs the liquid from the zucchini. Squeeze out the liquid and transfer to a bowl. Add dill, eggs, pepper, and flour. You can also add feta if you like. I like it without. Mix. Heat the oil hot enough over medium heat so that the fritters become crispy, not oily. I use coconut oil. Do not put too much oil because the fritters will absorb it. Scoop a ladle full of zucchini mixture at a time into the pan and press them slightly. Fry until crispy and brown on the surface, and the same on the other side. Place the fritters on a paper towel. Add a little oil and fry the next batch. And this is how wonderfully summery fresh and crunchy zucchini fritters are made. They can be served with fresh and creamy yogurt sauce or tzatziki, and sprinkled with lemon or lime.